Welcome! If you've ever had two cells that look identical, but your lookup still returns NA, there's a good chance a hidden line break is the cause. Line breaks aren't always visible, especially if row heights have been adjusted or wrap text is not applied. Or a line break has been left at the end of the text, which may create a taller cell, but a reader may at a glance think this is a row height issue. In this video, I'll show you how to find line breaks, how to remove them using Ctrl+ J. However, you may prefer to highlight the cell which contains a line break before making a replace decision, and I'll show you how to do this using a simple formula. As a reminder, in Excel, a line break is added by using the shortcut Alt+Return. In this sheet, it may look from a quick glance like there are two cells containing line breaks, as the height of the lines are taller, yet there are 5 cells with line breaks. If you only have one or a few line breaks, I'll start by showing the easiest way to find them. To find the line breaks in this sheet, I can go to Find and Select, and then the first thing I will do is find them so that I don't accidentally remove any I wish to keep. In the Find What box, I insert my cursor and then click Ctrl+ J. It may appear that the box looks empty, but the line break has been inserted, and for some of you a small dot will flash. Then I click Find All, and a list of the cells that would be impacted by a replace appears. So I now go to the Replace tab. Then in Replace, in the Find What box, I again use Ctrl+ J to insert my line break. Then in the Replace With box, I don't want to replace my line break with anything, so I will leave that blank, and then I click Replace All. And I receive confirmation that my replacements have been made. It may be that in doing this, your words will flow together, in which case you should consider putting an empty space in the box to separate the words. So that's how easy it is to find and replace line breaks using the Ctrl+ J feature. As mentioned earlier, as an alternative to the find function, an easy way to spot if a cell contains a line break is to change the colour of the cell. This is often helpful if you wish some line breaks to remain and just remove a few strays which have appeared in other columns, or if you are pasting items into a cell and not aware that line breaks are contained in the data, then changing the cell colour can help highlight this. To do this, I highlight the range I wish the formatting to apply, then simply go to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Then I will use a formula to determine which cells to format. Into the Format Values box, I put the formula, which I'll explain in a moment, but first I'll add the formatting. So I click Format, then in Fill, which controls the background colour of a cell, I'll select this blue colour and click OK. So with this formula, basically I am saying, starting at cell A2 and moving down each row in my range, search for CHAR 10, as CHAR 10 represents a line break. If a line break is found, the search returns a number, telling me the place number of the line break in the text. I'm not concerned which number is found, but if there is a number, any number, then colour the cell blue. If there is no line break, then there is no number, so the colour of the cell remains unchanged. I click OK, and my colouring is applied to the cells which contain a line break. An important point here to note is that if you select columns rather than arrange, in the conditional formatting, an important point here to note, you should start at A1, not A2. Otherwise, the fill will be applied to cells which don't have the line breaks in them. So just a little nuance to watch out for. Okay, now the cells which contain line breaks have been highlighted, you can decide if you wish to keep or remove them. In this video, I have covered why the invisibility of line breaks might be impacting your lookups, which might result in some NAs, how to find line breaks, which are often difficult to see using Ctrl+ J, how to replace the line breaks, again using Ctrl+ J to insert the line break character, how to colour the background of cells to show which cells contain a line break and make it easier to identify which should remain and which perhaps should be removed. Has a hidden line break ever caused you a problem? If so, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.